Hi, my name is Fabien Deswart, and I'm L'Oréal as Raw Material Sustainable Innovation Manager. I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our new sustainability strategy and the key part we expect suppliers such as Croda to play in meeting these very ambitious but absolutely necessary commitments. The science is very clear. If we want to keep our planet habitable for the generations to come, we businesses have to go through a radical transformation of the way we develop and manufacture products. Solely aiming to reduce our environmental impact is no longer enough. We need to do whatever we can at our level to ensure that we respect the so-called planetary boundaries, i.e. a safe operating space for humanity, or put it simply, the thresholds within which humanity can continue to grow, to thrive for the generations to come. To do so, we launched in April 2020 a new sustainability program called L'Oréal for the Future. This new program builds on the success of a previous sustainability strategy called Sharing Beauty with All. But with this new strategy, we raise the bar to a completely new level, taking into account not only the impact of our own activities, but also the impact of the activities of our suppliers upstreams and our consumers downstreams. As you can see on the slide on your screen, I believe, you can see that some of the key objectives of in this strategy are directly or indirectly related to the ingredients we purchase from suppliers such as Croda. So first, we will have to take into account the origin and the sourcing of the raw materials. Clearly, we want to move away from using fossil-derived resources, but we also need to make sure that the sourcing of this ingredient is sustainable, taking into account a number of criteria, including labor conditions, economic empowerments for local producers, as well as biodiversity impact, to name but a few. Secondly, we also need to take into account the way these ingredients are produced. We need to avoid the use of hazardous chemicals and develop new environmentally friendly technologies, processes to manufacture the ingredients of tomorrow, making the most of tremendous advances in areas such as biotech. Last but not least, we also need to take into account the end of life of ingredients while developing new solutions to make sure that they are respectful of the environment. So to sum up, sustainability is an absolute must. For the beauty sector L'Oréal is operating in, but also for all industrial sectors, to ensure that we keep our planet habitable for the generations to come, but also to meet the ever-growing demand from consumers for greener products. At L'Oréal, as mentioned earlier on, we've set ourselves some very, very ambitious objectives. So clearly we won't be able to do it on our own. And to do so, we will partner with suppliers such as Croda to develop sustainable development programs that are of the scale required to tackle the emergency we are currently facing. Thank you very much.